Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to give you an update from JNTUH about X-Convocation, that is 10th convocation, when they are going to release the certificates or when they'll release the original degrees. So many students are asking about this. So I'm going to give you all these details in this video. So stay tuned. And if you're watching the videos without subscribing, so please subscribe and continue watching. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the original degree when they will release, and what about the students who did not applied in 10th convocation, what is the procedure for them. And next thing we'll discuss in this video is how much rupees it will cost if you are applying pre-convocation mode. So first, let me clear you guys. So those who are applied in 10th convocation, that is 2019, 2022, 2020, 2021 students applied in this convocation in the month of September, October 2021. That is 11th October was the last day to apply for 10th convocation without single rupee. So that was free for the students who had PC with them and who are eligible that time. Before 11th October they have applied without paying any money. But so many students had backlogs and so many students did not receive their PC. That time they don't have PC because they are having backlogs. So that's why PC is not issued for them. So they have not applied in 10th convocation. So what is the solution for those students? I'm giving the details in this video. And for that students, so first we'll see for who applied in 10th convocation when they will release. So after the convocation ceremony, 10th convocation ceremony, JNTUH 10th convocation ceremony, they are going to release the original degrees. The 10th convocation ceremony will take 1 month. So in the month of January 2022, they might release the original degrees. And if you have emergency to get original degrees, you can apply in pre-convocation mode by paying 2,900 rupees. Once again, you have to apply if you want urgently. And if you don't have any urgency or any emergency, you don't need now OD, then you can wait for the JNTUH to release the original degrees. They will send you by post to your house. And what about the students who did not apply yet? Then for these students, they can apply in pre-convocation mode by paying rupees 3,500. If it is urgent, then you can apply for the original degree. If you do not have any emergency or any urgency, then after the 10th convocation ceremony or after the 10th convocation function, you can apply by paying only rupees 1,100. If you don't have any emergency, then wait for the 10th convocation ceremony. It will take 1 month, but after you only have to pay 1,100. But if you want to apply now, then you have to pay 3,500 rupees for the original degree. So many students are asking about that they haven't applied in 10th convocation, but now they want original degree because of their jobs and some another applications. They need original degree, they are asking. So just for them, the students, you can apply in pre-convocation mode by paying 3,500 or whatever amount they are asking in the application portal. That might be 2,900 or 3,500. But if you do not have any emergency or urgency, then you can wait for the 10th convocation ceremony, then by paying only 1,100 rupees. So yeah, this is the update from JNTUH. Hope you guys find this video informative. If you have any query, just comment down below. And if you find this video informative, then hit the like button. Hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to the channel. And you can also follow us on Instagram. Link in the description box. Thank you for watching.